Yeah, so I'm Charlie, I'm the supervisor here at the Point at Benbridge, and it's basically a bunch of pop-ups. We've got Harbour Kitchen, Craft, Lagom Coffee and the bar, all working on an integrated system to deliver fantastic customer service. Having the menus on the screen like these ones behind me, having all the tills linked, it's definitely a massive help. You know, it helps cut time and streamlines the whole operation. Having a great integrated system with great staff, you know, you can't go far wrong. I think it's helped us out massively and I couldn't recommend it enough.